Hello guys, I'm 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐻. I'm journal consultant and visa services, study and work visa. In this video I want to show you how to get admission from France universities, especially from Strasbourg University. It is my channel, YouTube channel. You can subscribe it. It's 𝐂𝐚𝐻 visa consultant. Okay, we want to start now. In Google you search 𝐒𝐭𝐞𝐤 Strasbourg, and after you can come here 𝐒𝐭ndidat University. Okay, in this page you can click déposer une candidature pour l'année 2025-2026. It means you want to create an account for get admission from this year to next year. Okay, you can come here and create an account. You write your name and address mail. Confirmation address mail. You should create a mot de passe. It means you should create a mot de passe. Okay, for example, okay, confirmation mot de passe. Okay, you should notice that your mot de passe should be in this criteria. Okay, after you should go to your Gmail and confirm. Okay, it is here. You can copy it and paste it to Google. Okay, that's all. Your account is already validated. Now, in this email, we have a login. Okay. Attention that if you are not already in Strasbourg University, you can go like this. But if you are in the University of Strasbourg, you can click here. Je suis étudiant à l'Université de Strasbourg. You can click it, or no, you can make it in English. Student at the University de Strasbourg. You can click here if you are in University in Strasbourg. If you are the new, okay, you paste your login and mot de passe, password. It is the password. Okay, login, and the password is incorrect. Okay, yes, we had a password because I had already make it. And after login, that's it. Save. And next time. Okay. We are here. It is offer formation. It means this list you have the offer of master or license degree. Attention that the license bachelor, it is from second year up to third year. for the first year it is not here. Okay, for example, you want to see if in this list there is my choice or no. For example, faculty de langue, for example, lessons, deuxième année. Okay, it is the application will be open from 11 April to 21 May. For other offers, you can see the date, the deadline. It's the best way to don't waste time. But you can't now click for candidate because you didn't already make it. The information, personal information, you should click here, information, personal information, and also you are from which nationality. For example, me, I'm from Afghanistan. I don't have IN. I have IN because I'm in France and I'm a student here. But if you don't have INO, it's not important. You can click suivant like this. Pays de naissance. Example de naissance. Example for me like this. Okay. Pays de naissance. It is for me. It's Afghanistan. Pays de naissance. For example, I'm from langue préférée. If you want to be in English, you can click English, and that's it. Civility. You click Monsieur, and if you are woman, you click Mademoiselle, Madame. Enregistrer. It means save. And also you should your address. Afghanistan. No, my address it's now I'm in France, and I click France. My postcode, for example, this, and I'm in Strasbourg, and for example, like this, for example. Okay. Okay, like this. I have completed my secondary education. I have not completed my secondary education. For example, I have completed a year of graduation. For example, for me it's 2000 like this. Okay. And now you should click the type of high school diploma that you already have. For example, for me, it's an international diploma. I click again. Validation. For me, it's titre étranger admis en équivalence. Because I'm from Afghanistan, and I finished my education, my bachelor degree in Afghanistan, so it's an international diploma. So I click here, titre étranger admis en équivalence. It means I have an international diploma, and it is already validated in France. You don't need to validate your diploma in France. Just you click here. Okay. your mention, the honors. For example, for me it was excellent, excellent degree. Country of issue, for me it is Afghanistan. Okay, like this. You should, if you are another type, you should click another one. But for me it's here. Okay, that's all. Now we try degree programs. For example, if you want to apply to master in law education, you search here faculty de droit. Yes, faculty de droit de sciences politiques, and you click here master. You notice that it is in second year of master. Okay, master deuxième année, second year of master. For example, it will open from 27 April. I want to, yes, for it, no, it's already, okay, now it is for April. I want to search, yes, this, it's good for us because it's 12th March to 1st May, and we can apply to this. It is droit social international. It means social law. Okay, we can click here. It is alternance. Alternance, it means at the same time you study, you can work. You should work. Now you are on this page. You should formula obligatoire. Yes. You should complete this form for this master. For another master or another bachelor, you have another type of form, or you don't need to fill the blanks of the form. Okay, it needs your curriculum vitae, CV, your motivation letter, relevé de notes, it means your transcript. Relevé de notes licence 2. You should, for example, here you should upload your transcript from second year of bachelor. It is L1, first year of bachelor. Relevé de notes de baccalauréat, your school, your high school. And here, for example, relevé de notes master 1, the transcript from the first year of master, transcript from the third year of lessons, une copie de diplôme attestation de l'enseignement supérieur. If you have this, c'est des stages via stage, votre diplôme obtenu, and you should have 𝐷ELF-B2. You should have 𝐷ELF-B2. It means this program is not in English, not just in English. It is in France. It is in French language, and you should validate your French level 𝐷ELF-B2, 𝐷ELF-B2 or TCF-B2. Okay. And after you complete all this form, you can click transmit my application. But first of all, you can click download my file to save your file, and like this, and after transmit my application. If you don't want to apply to this, you can click cancel application. Okay, it's like this. And when you click transmit my application, it's finished, and you can you can apply to another master, another bachelor. You can come here, and for example, you can choose another one. You can choose another one, for example, faculty of law. You can click here and master. The same time you can apply to another master to increase your chance. Okay, for example, this one, 𝐒𝐭𝐞𝐲-𝐒𝐿𝐵, private law. You can click. Oh, it's not open. Yes, for example, this, it is yes, we have already done it. It's good. This, for example, this, it is outside of reference declaration. Okay, you can choose another one you want, and like this, it is after you apply, you can wait and for the result like this. Yeah, you just have submitted an application to this. It is not the final email. When you validate your application, you get another email. Okay, and after, for example, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you can get the offer, the admission offer. It's the procedure of getting admission from France University. It was the Strasbourg University. For another university, for example, Sorbonne, you click like this, Sorbonne, 𝐒𝐭𝐞𝐲. You write 𝐒𝐭𝐞𝐲 and the name of the university you want to apply. Okay, like this. You come here, you create your account. Again, you create an account. That was the account for Strasbourg University, and for Sorbonne University you should create another one. Create an account, and after you can go to 𝐹𝑇𝒶𝓃𝓃𝓀𝑒. You can click here, for example, lessons. It has lessons L1. It's good for you if you want to apply for first year of bachelor. You can click here, L1, first year of lessons, and it will open from 18/6/2000. Yes, the procedure already finished, like this. And for other university also, for example, you want to apply for Lyon, eCandidat Lyon, like this. You create your account, and after you go to 𝐹𝑇𝒶𝓃𝓃𝓀𝑒 and complete application and submit your application like this. You apply for the France University by eCandidat, and you will get an admission offer from France universities. I hope this video is good for you, and if you want to watch another videos, next videos about how can we get admission from foreign universities, you can watch our videos. And also we'll create video about how to get work visa from Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Goodbye.